Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go.
And match number 49, Autonomous, now underway as the human players have programmed the robots to do what you see them doing right now, even if it's standing still. If they move off of their starting position, they gain 3 points. If they can score on the reef, they gain anywhere from 3 to 7 points. As we come out of Autonomous, we have a score of 15-9 in favor of the Red Alliance. For 2 minutes and 15 seconds, the human players teleop the robots, the remote-operated vehicles down at the bottom of the sea, moving that coral around, processing the algae, trying to score as many points as they can while they're building the reef to bring the sea life back into the environment. It's 29-9 in favor of the Red Alliance with 1 minute and 48 seconds left to go as 1683. That's the Techno Titans drops a piece of coral into the trough. If you're looking at the center of the field on each side, that little structure you see has a little trough on the bottom. That's worth 2 points if they place the coral there. The lower branch, branch number 2, is called the lower branch. Of course, it's worth 3 points. In the middle, that's worth 4, and if they do it on the top, just like they did right there at 1683, that's worth 5 if they can score it on the top. 87-36, they're approaching the coral reef right now with their mechanism. Looks like they might try to pull off some algae and clean that coral reef off as they try to rebuild it. They take that algae, they raise their arm up above the ocean waves. They're going to try to place it into the net on the barge for the Blue Alliance. 87-36 now brings it back down underneath the waves, as the waves are really tall right now. They're trying to get them there. There we go. They drop it in there. That's 4 points for the Blue Alliance now as it's 59-19 with 47 seconds left to go. 44-68. That's the Lynx Robotics teams. Has ones drop down to the ocean floor from their bot. 85-77, the Cyber Academy champions. They're at the reef right now alongside of their alliance partner 87-36. 87-36 pulling another piece of algae off. Going to try to score it in the net like they did a while ago, but it falls down to the ocean floor. Algae is slippery. As you know, we're under 20 seconds now in the match as the sonar beeps, indicating that the robots can now proceed to the end game, which could be pulling themselves off the ocean floor like 1683 has done. That's worth 12 points from the deep anchored cage. As we're down to 2 seconds left to go, we end the match with 1683 up off of the ocean floor. Looks like they're going to get 12 points for that. They've also got a alliance partner 4468 parked in the barge zone. That gives them an additional 2 points, which equals 14. If that stays true to form, they will get a barge ranking point for that. As we've done yesterday and what we'll continue to do today, when the fish swim on the reef, you will be able to see who was the victorious in that match by the color of fish that are swimming on the reef. And if by some chance the fish have no color, that means it's a tie. All right, let's see what the color of the fish are that's going to be swimming on the reef. There we go. And it's the Red Alliance fish swimming on the reef. The Red Alliance victorious in that match with a score of 86-21 as the Red Alliance received 3 ranking points for the victory. They also received a ranking point in Autonomous for... There we go. It was 86-21 in favor of the Blue Red Alliance with 5 ranking points during that match. 1 for Autonomous, 1 for the barge points, and 3 for the victory.